rip that bad boy off. It's going live. That's for all the TikTokers and stuff. All those boys, like their vertical streams. Let me know. Let me know if that gave you a notification. Also, put something in the chat because it's the engagement time. It is the read chat time. And I want to see what's on your mind, guys. I want to see where you're at. I want to see the sentiment. I want to see the charts you're looking at. I want it all. I want it all. Not afraid of the splatter. I don't even know what you're talking about. Ace of Hearts, you're a wild child. I love you, bro. What's up, Crimson? What would you do if you just held spot? Would you try to sell and buy back lower? Crimson, that's a question I love answering, and the perfect question to answer right as I power up that short stream. Where is that short stream? I think I lost it, but perfect question to answer. So common position to be in, and I would go a step farther and say an intelligent position to be in is to be in spot. Mostly spot. I trade, you know, it's exciting. It's good content. I enjoy it. It's fun, right? It's a little addiction too. Leverage is great. You know, leverage is good if you know how to use it. But it is addictive, and it really typically ends in loss. Not many people eke it out. Not many people win. And so I do tell you guys, it's not a secret. The majority of what I do over the course of 8 years in crypto is just buy spot and hold. It's very boring. It is not exciting. It's the opposite of good content. It's the opposite of sexy content. And when you do that, you see all this volatility, and you can't help but wonder, could I capture that volatility? Could I profit from that volatility? Could I be doing better than in spot? And the answer, of course, is yeah, you could, but statistically, you probably won't. Statistically, you probably won't. Using leverage has such a low long-term success rate. There's a time and a place for it. But spot, so should you sell, buy lower? Well, one, if you were going to do that, you probably would want to wait until, let's say, the top of our range is tested, around that 70K area. Not financial advice. This is just my thoughts on what I would do if I was looking to kind of mix up my spot bag. I would probably be waiting for closer to the top of at least the highs we've seen this year, right? So currently above us this week, like 69. You know, maybe you'd be looking at like 64. We had some good reasoning today in the intro about why I think price is moving there. I would likely look to do that. Randomly doing it right here, right now could work out, of course. But I think that there are also a few other things to know. One, when trading spot, people feel pressured because they don't have leverage. They feel pressured to use their whole position. So someone will come to me and be like, should I sell my spot and buy lower? In their head, 99% of the time, they mean, should I sell all of my portfolio? And I think the answer to that is always no. Even if you're convinced the absolute top is in, I think selling your entire portfolio is a bad move. It puts you in a really disadvantaged position unless price just immediately moves down, right? Unless you won the ticket lottery or you won the lottery on price action. Doesn't happen often. I've never heard anyone selling all their spot and immediately and just solely going down. But if you do want to do this, you want to try this, consider viewing your portfolio in like percents or pieces, okay? If you're like, I want to sell right now and buy lower, try doing it with just say 1% of your portfolio, right? If you have one Bitcoin, maybe 0.01, and then look to buy that lower. A tip that will make that easier and more successful is, especially with spot, even if you're doing 1% or 100%, the minute you do that, go place a limit buy order at the level that you want to buy back lower at, right? So you sold right now, let's say it's 60 for the easy, just easy. Say you want to rebuy at 50. Don't forget to place that limit order, because I've seen it happen where people will do that. They'll be like, yep, I'm buying at this level. That level comes, they don't buy, it goes back up, they get caught underwater. It's a risky game, dude. It's a risky game in Bitcoin. It spends a lot of time going down, convincing you to sell. And then at the peak moments of, I should sell this, it's going to keep going down, I'll buy lower. We see the big rips. It leaves everybody in the dust. And really, it's maybe the worst thing to do to yourself. Like, assuming we kick it off to a higher high, an all-time high in Bitcoin, we run. The last thing you want to do is look back at the end of this bull run and say, I sold all of it right before it started, right? That's going to be the worst feeling that I can imagine. Long story short, if you want to do that, do it slowly, in pieces, not all in, not all out. Don't get yourself on a shitty side of the trade where you just get stuck and tilted and, you know, really just get yourself wrecked. That was long. And spot right now, I think it's always a good idea to be DCAing Bitcoin spot. If you're in spot not DCAing, what should you be doing? Honestly, I think this is the time where we're doing nothing. I know. You probably said that last week. Yeah, it probably did, because last week is also probably time to do nothing. A lot of the bull run is doing nothing. And as we continue and as this matures into next year, that's going to become a lesson that everyone is well aware of. Absolutely. What's up, 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞? Revenge trading? Yeah, dude. Getting on the wrong side of the trade leads to revenge trading. Leads to getting wrecked. Bad Fox, bring the alpha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, the prisoner? Tom, can you please tell dogs? Can you please tell dogs has done breakout or fake out? Well, I assume most things have moved up a little bit today. Kind of just in line with the corn, right? Let me see. We can take a look at dogs probably. What's up? I see some people over on the mobile stream. Philly Skills, J Schwar Boss, M Ninja. Just so you guys know, you're over on the mobile stream. It's for phones. You can join us on the main stream. We got hundreds viewing, chatting. Real talk, smart talk. Oh yeah. Do link. Gold break. Yeah, gold did hit new all-time highs this week. Kind of went under the radar. I don't even think I tweeted about it. Maybe that's a signal. Let's pull up gold here. Gold's still ripping. Wow. Okay. All right. Gold still ripping. I would love to say that gold has been a consistent front runner of Bitcoin breakouts. It just hasn't been quite as correlated as I would like or feel comfortable saying that for. Certainly, gold moving up has been in tandem with Bitcoin, especially like this year. We saw gold break to its all-time high in April. Well, let's zoom out again. We saw gold break to its all-time high in March, along with the rest of the markets, but gold just continued going, right? This is where the correlation or kind of that thought process breaks down for me, at least for now. Remember, correlations are fleeting. They're fickle. They'll come and go. Right now, I don't think so. Since that March high, where all the other markets topped out, very few things have gone to higher highs yet, whether they're crypto or stocks or whatever. Gold has continued up, putting on a 20% gain, which is actually pretty wild. Yes, it's had pullbacks. Yes, it's had chop. But this, I don't think is like a, gung-ho, like, yep, Bitcoin all-time high, let's go. Because it's just kept pushing up, right? And the timing of which hasn't really lined up, I don't want to say with Bitcoin that well at all. Where's even August 5th? August 5th right here, right? This was the low. We broke the low in August. Gold, higher low, continued up. But gold is looking real spicy. Let me update this gold chart here. We're not going to need nearly all these horizontals anymore. Let's get rid of them. There we go. Beautiful climb here. I wish Bitcoin looked like this. I remember saying that a few weeks ago. Jealous. I have chart envy. Gold resistance. Slap price back down just under 2,500 up until August. Mid-August, it broke through. Back tested it as support. Now, that is a classic RS or SR flip. Resistance to support. Classic TA. We should expect it from gold. However, it has tested that support a few times on the day and weekly timeframes. And so I don't believe that resistance to be too strong if we do see this reverse and sell off. Gold is really just cruising, isn't it? It's in price discovery. I love it. I miss it. Hitting that 1618 extension from our fib tool here at 2,568. Gold's continuing to put on grounds here, and it does look like it's heading for this measured move target, 2,600. I might want to zoom out. There might be some real major extensions that we're not catching here. Let's see. Our biggest, most significant fib on this chart here is from 22 to 23, bringing us that 2,400 target. There was some good confluence here with some of our smaller moves. Our measured move, pretty close here. Our measured move target does sit rather close to our local, maybe not quite close enough. So we're going to describe this as a zone, 2,621 to 2,650-ish. I would be looking, I'm absolutely looking for gold to reach up there, whether it's today, next week, whatever. And as you zoom out, you even then notice an even bigger picture. This is why zooming out provides such important perspective and is so critical to success in trading. 1980 to 2011, our previous gold all-time highs, consolidated for like 10 years. If you attach a trend line, as I have done right here, and then zoom in to price action, which I'm doing for you right now. Make this blue so it's like a little more obvious. There it is. That lines up with our moves pretty damn well. This is some serious confluence. I have extremely strong confidence that gold is moving up to 2,600. Here is kind of what where I'm at right now, though. This has been a really parabolic climb for gold. Really parabolic. We haven't seen anything like this like in my lifetime. On a move up there, the faster it is, the more likely I believe it will be to come back down and retest some of these previous resistance levels. Gold is not a rocket ship. It does not tend to move that way. We have untested resistance for support. This will work. This will work. This is just kind of like preliminary. 2,530. There you go. I'd be looking for some kind of downside move, some kind of retracement once we get up to that big old trend line. A lot of confluence there. Can't ignore it. I like it. I like it. Let's go back to the corn here. I said, I don't think we're done yet. I said I wouldn't take this short. Bitcoin approaching its daily high right now in real time. Let's go. Let's go. It's over. In real time, all the way back. I'm going to throw a horizontal up here. Turn it red. Turn it red. 67. Where's this from? The hours. Yep. There it is. The hour. As speculated. Bullish engulfing, boys. Let's go. 60K, 64K this weekend. Fingers crossed. Pray to the spice gods, everyone. The hourly giving us that beautiful engulf. Giving us what we need here. Let's see our extensions. Really, really zoomed in. Really, really local. Boom. 60.1 from our like minutes time frames. 60.3. That's a nice little candle. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Let's go. What's up, guys, over there? This is the mobile stream. Let's go. Hello from Africa. Hello to Africa. Breaking the trend. Looks to be bullish. I hope so, man. I hope so. Let's see what time it is. 1:46. We got 14 minutes for the hourly candle to wrap up. Where do we need the hourly candle to close above? Right here. Ooh, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. It's getting spicy. You prayed to the spice gods, and your prayers were answered. It's real. It's real. We need the hourly to close in 13 minutes above 59.7 right here. The reason being, boom, that hourly bullish engulf. I want to see this chart. I want to see this 4 hour get its ass in gear here. I want to see this chart close that hourly bullish engulfed. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Where are we at? We are. A little concerning over here. Our fib we placed back on the 5th or 6th of September. 1618 sitting right here at this level. What other resistance or what other selling might we find here? 60.8. Right up here on the 4 hour. 12 hour right here. Dude, we're at the freaking, we're here. We're at the gates, boys. We're at the gates. Do we knock and go in or do we walk away? Breaking above this level, dude. There's not a lot here on the 12 hour. Pretty inefficient drop down. Just red candles. Not a lot of bouncing. Not a lot of efficiency in the market. Daily now at the highest point. We haven't seen a close above this level since last month. All daily resistance, at least from our horizontals, looking cleared. Ooh, it could be getting spicy. It's time to put this fib back on. No, son of a bitch. All right, so, yep, we got a little bit going on here. I know I took this fib off the chart a while ago because I was like, I don't know when this will happen. Here we are. at the 618. This is it. This is it. I think we reject here for the day, or we keep moving. We break through. We plow through kind of this inefficiency above us. We head towards that green quarter target, 62.7. Sitting just above that, as we talked about in the beginning of the SOD here, the 200 daily, the boss looming, the price to retake. If bulls can retake 64K, I think it's good night for the bears. Yeah, there'll be red candles after that. It's not only up, but I think it'll be good night for this trend. Let's see how this rolls, boys. Only goats like the stream. Smash it, boys. That's right, Donkey. How you doing, my friend? You're 𝐅𝐫𝐸USD. What's that, Dadley? What's up, Forex hacker? Gold, 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 gold. Yep, we've been looking at gold, 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 gold. We just did gold. Gold's chilling out right now. Still looking very strong. I just got an alert. That's good news. This is what we're looking for on gold. There'll be timestamps after the live. You can go back and check out your favorite charts, but I'm not sure if we have time for that. What just went off? Bitcoin 59.9. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Little red coming in to ruin our parade, but we won't let them. Resistance. Found support. Higher high. Where are we going next? Back to the hour. Ugh, bitch. 9 minutes. I almost want to just keep this up for the next 9 minutes. That won't be very exciting. This is what I'm watching right now. If you take one thing away in this real-time moment, I'm watching the next 9 minutes to close bullish engulfed on this hour. If we close back down under 59.7, which is totally possible, we're seeing this happen in our faces right now. These yellows. Let me make this one not yellow. These yellows. If we see a close below on the hour, we're going to have lost that, and I think that will spell a lessened momentum into the end of today. It's a nail biter. There we are. Lost the hour, but the hour is still open. Now, no longer rejecting that bullish engulf. Ooh, it's getting exciting. I feel like a sports announcer. No, get up there. Get up there. You have one strategy, Ali Sherkhan. What's that strategy, bro? What's your one strategy? What's up, Decon Nick? Think we have a dip next week, like back down to 56? We'll see how today closes, man. We'll see how today closes. 56. It's kind of low. It's kind of low. I feel like if we do see 56, like this weekend or next week, that we're not moving right back up to the top. We're not going to continue, at least in the short term. I think we'll see some stalled out momentum. The 1 minute, God, this couldn't be any more intense. This could not be any more nail biting than it is right now. Let's just like throw some random trend lines up here so it looks like we're doing something. Let's see. Could be like a little bull flag that actually broke to the upside, question mark. All right, we hit the 618. This is about as low as I want to see this go over the next 8 minutes. I do not want to see this wick broken. 59.550. We moved up. We came back to the 618. Battling it out for this hourly close at 59.7. Oh, this is intense. I feel like I haven't had a moment on the chart like this in a while, where I like actually cared what happened in like a low time frame close. There it is. There she goes. Back up. Oh, look at that. The 618 bouncing price. This yellow line, that bullish engulfing hourly. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. These wicks stopping out some late longers. Baiting in the contrarian shorters. Let's go. 6 minutes. These are the longest 6 minutes of my life, dude. Come on. Come on. 2 minute close. I like this. 2 minute chart. I never looked at the 2 minute, I don't think, ever in my life. I like these candles. Order blocks on the way up. Elevator down. Find support at that order block. Start painting green. This is all we have to hold. That's it. That's it. What is region to its crest? Heart killer. I have no idea what that means, my guy. But I appreciate you. Feels like this cycle will end sooner rather than later. And if you believe that to be true, then I don't know why you wouldn't have said the cycle is over in March, right? Hello from Antarctica. Tamine 138. LARPing about living in Antarctica. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. That'd be cool if you were. That'd be cool if you were. But wants to look at link, we'll look at link. We're going to do the altcoin charts in 6 minutes. I just want to see this close. Moggy promoting the hub. What's up, Brutal Metal? Thoughts on us being mainly in an uptrend for roughly 690 days, when the last bull cycle was only 600 days of up. It depends where you measure it from, Brutal. That's the big that's the big thing. Whenever it comes to like a 4-year cycle, or even looking at like, you know, this many days, that many days, it depends where you measure from. That's what's going to be important. That's almost certainly the explanation to what you're asking here. Couldn't tell you those days off the top of my head, how many, the count, but I could tell you that there's just different ways that you could view when the bull market started, right? When did the bull market start? Did it start in November? Did it start January of 23? Did it start when we broke the all-time high? It's all about kind of where you're measuring from. A 5 minute doesn't look bad. God. It could not be any more suspenseful, Bitcoin. My loud. Keep moving the chart as if that's going to like move the price. What's up, King Peasant? How you doing, bro? Thoughts on ABT? We'll get to alts in literally 4 minutes. The bull run hasn't started, says Janix. Exactly. Not that I necessarily believe that myself, but exactly, it's all about where you're measuring. Are you measuring from the lows? Are you measuring from the highs? It's all kind of objective. What's up, God's Word Daily? You think it's forming a reversal pattern here? It could be. It easily could be. If it closes below 59.7, I am on boat with you. I'm on board under 59.7 for this hour. Really hoping we get the bullish engulf close after the higher high. If we don't, I think we end up seeing this 4-hour candle close just like that. And while that's not bearish or bad, it won't make for the most exciting stream, unfortunately. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go. What's up, Crypto Cat? You always measure it from the halving. See, there you go. There's another, and this isn't, I'm not coming at you, but there's another kind of arbitrary point of measurement. They're all kind of arbitrary points. I'll just leave it there. I'll leave it there. What's up, Paul Stafford, my man? Deacon Nick, you sure hope so. Me too. Science of Spirit. You are short to 58,770. Let's see. Our short's still technically alive here. Not looking too stupid now. Not looking dumb now. I said I wouldn't take this one, so if it plays out, I guess I am looking stupid. Long looking at 58.5 if we get a rejection here. Hold up. What did I just do? Hit the wrong thing. Hold up, hold up. Bear with me, guys. Updating the chart here. Coming in 2 minutes and 30 seconds for this big close. You were tuned in at the right time. You found this channel. Do me a favor. Go ahead, tap that screen, hit the like button, subscribe, share, engage, vote in the poll, put a message in the live chat. Do all those goodies. We need all of the engagement we can get right now. We need to bring all the boys to the yard, and I'm out of milkshakes. I've made 2 milkshake references today. It's not like me. It's very unlike me. 3 minutes, 2 minutes to go. Let me see. We got Zaid. What's up, Zaid, my guy? Subscribing. How you doing? Welcome to the fam. City Games. Joining the crew. 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞. G-Thin Thomas. What's up, man? Handsome last name. Handsome surname. Ahmed Iyad. Ahmed Ali. Pickle. Gifting out those memberships. I didn't even catch that. Didn't even catch it. I'm just burning time. Literally, we have 1 minute, 40 seconds for this close, and I'm watching. What else? Pickle. Memberships. Crimson. Tony Rose Sauce. Mike McCarthy. I need my Bitcoin. Winning them. Hell yeah. What's up? Ahmad Fasal. Subscribed. We've got quite a few subscribers. Not quite as many as last stream, but keep them coming. If you subscribe during the live, you'll see just like it did. Roll over in real time. It's very interactive. What's up, Viren? Cat M. Kane S. Anselmo. Didi. Nicole Barbie. Nicole Barbie, another lady. No, Bitcoin, you're going the wrong damn way. Sunchips, AAVE looking decent. I didn't catch that super chat. Thank you, my friend, for the 5. We'll look at AAVE. Upsama subscribed during live. Wow, actually a lot more. I've been missing them. What's up, Bimini boy? 87. Hello. 81. Welcome to the club. We're just watching this hourly candle close. We have seconds to go, and then we're going to turn over to the altcoin charts, man. There you are, Shohag. What's up, brother? What up? Mike Bennett, you're over on that mobile stream, just so you know. What is the specific time the week closes? At 8 p.m. East. Or 0 UTC on Sunday. Again, another arbitrary point of measurement is what it is. What's up, Alex O'Crypto? Shout out to you, my friend. Working hard over there on your YouTube channel. What's up, Jen? Can you get us more milkshakes, please? We're out of them. You buy 721 every week. Don't vape or you unsub. Dude, I don't care. You can unsub. This is my stream, bro. You're my guest. You're welcome to leave. No. 4 seconds to go, and I'm getting cock blocked here. We got candle blocked. We got candle blocked. It's not the end of the world. I mean, it can't keep running, but like, damn, I was really looking for that strong close here after that top wick. Showing us sellers have come in at this price. Bulls battling it out. Man, that was good. That was so exciting. It's all right. It's all right. Let's examine the damage. 5 minute, a little bit of weakness. A little bit of rolling over. Same on the 10. Same on the 15. A little bit better uptrend on the 15. 30, 45, 60, 120, the 2 hour. Not the strongest close, man. That 2 hour is giving us juicies. 2 hour just closed here on our rejected bullish engulf hourly. Not a beautiful doji here. A little shooting star reversal on the 2 hour pattern. That's okay. That is okay. Life will go on. All right, leave it on the 15. Let's do some alts. I need to place alerts, so if anything happens, I'll know. But let's do some alts. Remember people asking for link? You got cucked by 60. Yeah, we did. That resistance is last week's high. Is it? Kinda. I mean, it's not far. 59.8 versus 58.999. I mean, that's like not even 1% difference. Not a bad take. Not a bad take. Slightly higher high, though. Link, SCY, I pulled up, but I didn't really look at it. What's up, Free Will Link? All right. You spend $50 to stay carbon neutral. For what? What's up, Joe H? How you doing, brother? Car. Deacon Nick, been holding off buying alts. That's probably a wise choice, my friend. We can talk about when to buy alts here. Elliott Wave guys you follow keep calling for another drop, but Deacon Nick, I will tell you, as a man who has live streamed through 2 bull runs and has been through 3 bull runs. 3 bull runs? Yeah, 3 bull runs. Losing track of time. I will say that I am not an Elliott Wave fan. I have a great video on Elliott Wave. I think there's value there to Elliott Wave. You can check it out after the live in our free trading course. However, in my 8 years of watching this space, I have always noticed that the Elliott Wave people always end up being the people waiting for that pullback before the bull run starts. They're always waiting for that like 1, 2, 3, 4 pullback. I don't even know off the top of my head. The ABC, whatever. They're always waiting for it, and they're always talking about how we're going to see downside, and they're always left in the dust. Doesn't mean Elliott Wave isn't good. Doesn't mean it can't work. Maybe that's just like part of people are learning. They find Elliott Wave. It makes sense to them, and it just doesn't tango the best with the corn. I don't know. We'll look at link here. Mel's Roy F. We got the bots back. Let's see. Whenever somebody comes in, we've seen people ask for this one before. This guy comes in, only says this. Yeah, that's a real account. Let's see. Another one. Is this a real account? I bet you guys didn't know that this exists now. We can go and see what you've said. So watch what you say. Guy, just that copy pasta message. Yeah, dude, we're not looking at that. We're not looking at it. You guys, you don't have to hide them or anything. I'll just add their BS to the filter. It's all right. FTM. Good FTM. What's up, Brendan? Bitcoin pump just in time for the season. Oh, yeah. Very oh, yeah. Ooh, I see why you guys want to look at link. Our link analysis, that's a spicy meatball there. We were looking for link from 950 to 1250 for a 21% gain, a 4.6 to 1 risk to reward, a hell of a risk to reward to close there in profit. I need to make this less visible. It's bothering me. Okay. There we go. A hell of a position to close in profit. There we go. I like that. Link moving up. 1250's resistance. If I was in this long position, I'd probably look to shave it off there. Even here at 1130 is our 618 retracement, our golden Fibonacci retracement level. Market seems oh so fond of that. Let's check out our indicators here. Momentum on MACD. I should add MACD back to the charts. I love this histogram. Also have a great video on MACD. Check it out in the playlist. Okay, no divergence here on daily RSI. Kind of interesting. Money flow still looking really crappy. What this kind of reads to me as is Link filling some of its inefficiency, coming down, hitting a solid support at 950. But we're seeing profit taking into this rally. That might be a very good explanation, or I don't know. A very good reason to be looking to take profit here at 1150. That might line up really well. These weekly candles, nice little reverse doji here, leading us into some green. If you're maybe a little late to the trade or looking for a little bit higher on Link, 1211 at that weekly open after this doji candle might not be a bad target. I still am more confident in that 1150 being the close here. Weekly, wow, cutting it close. This money flow trending down to that zero line. It's going to take a little bit of a miracle. Momentum on the week waning off here as our red histogram candles turn dark red, showing us decreasing selling momentum. Let's see, what else can we do about it? You guys, you really don't you don't need to time them out. Here, I'll just add it to the filter and then they can't do it anymore. How's Solana doing, mems? We can take a look at Solana then. What's up? Thought it was Friday. It is Friday. Good name. Good afternoon from New York City. People were saying midway through September, let's see what happens. Where's Gina? By the way, great reminder, fam. Thank you, 𝐂𝐫𝐚𝐼. Gina will be joining us in less than 1 week. Not even a whole week. FOMC on Wednesday, scheduled. Mark your calendars. Click notify me. Don't miss it. I got distracted. I'm adding this to the filter list. Hold up, just so we don't have to time out all those accounts. Or hide them, block them, whatever. Let me get in here. It takes 1 second. We won't have to worry about those spammers anymore. Goodbye. Goodbye. Done. All right. No more. We don't have to hear them anymore. Awesome. Let's go to the month on Link here. Just to kind of wrap it up. High or low on the month. Green monthly candle for Link. Let's see where that monthly opened. I'm not even familiar. $11. Okay. $11. This is a price point on the chart we want to add. Boom. Go back down to the day. Let's see how this looks. Right here. Today's going to look to close the first day green in quite some time. Closing above $11 on the daily today will give us that. Our first green close in September, it looks like. Correct? Correct. Selling off below $11 before today's daily close, going to be a very nasty signal. Very nasty signal. I do not want to see that happen. If Link loses 11 bucks, closes down, it's likely moving to that 950 target again. We've seen a lot of coins do this recently. I don't want to see Link do that. I don't want to see higher or lower highs mixed with a flat bottom of support. That support has already been very much tested. Very much tested. I would not be confident in it bouncing price again on a retest. Damn, this is gonna slap. I think this hits. I feel like this hits today. What do you guys think? Our nice clear uptrend. Beautiful little V shaping up. RSI where I want it. Money flow on the hour. Right where I want it. 4 hour looks good. Link might go for it. Link might go for it. We have to probably turn back to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin eats shit today before close, that's probably the case for Link, but recovering at least a little bit so far. All right, Link, I got my alert set. Link's looking good. Someone asked about Solana. Let me pull up Solana. We haven't checked in on Sol. We'll have to check in on ETH. Ethereum was looking absolute dog shit. Absolute dog shit earlier this week. Hopefully that's changed. What's up, Michael Norris? What about our algo? What algo? What algo? Lux Algo. Great sponsor of this channel. Sign up with my link, get a free trial. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we can look at Bitcoin dominance. All right, we'll do Sol and then Bitcoin dominance. Good call. I wanted to actually do dominance second, but I got very distracted by the pump, by that hourly close. Sol pegging itself as a stable coin, it seems, lately. Trading still in between 144 and 126. We did look for a long on some stream recently. Unfortunately, that long got stopped out by 59. By 6 cents. That's some bullshit. By 6 cents. All right. Target for that long, 144.15. That'll give us a 2.75 to 1. 12% upside, risking a 4% drawdown. What else is going on with this chart? There's a lot of confluence there. A lot of confluence at 144. Great spot to look to take profit if you're in a position. We had support here on lower time frames before we broke down, held that low. Now moving back up, looking for that 618 retracement, lines us up at 144. Solana has the piper to pay back up here around the 160 mark. Let's say like 162 up here. This double top pattern, equal highs, rejected into a lower low. We're gonna have some profit takers or some sellers on a retest of 162. Okay, then line up. 62. See this day. Just so sideways, man. The charts are so sideways, you'll notice I have to keep correcting the scales because when I auto them, it just looks like ant text. It's just squished. Low, lower, low. Lower, high, lower, higher, low. Ooh, we're going to need some help here. Let me throw on some. Where are we at? Where are we at? There's all of our moving averages. Solana, finally. I remember talking about how Solana was one of the few coins last month that didn't have a death cross on the daily time frame. I have not checked up on yet enough, apparently, because Solana performed that exact death cross September 6th of this month. That 200-day sitting right in between our 144 target and resistance at 162, the 50 coming on down to that 144, offering up liquidity at both of those values. Both of those values. Got all the moving averages above it, though. That is intimidating. Intimidating here. Lots of liquidity, lots of profit taking, likely going to happen at those moving averages. Solana is kind of mirroring Bitcoin here with its daily candle trading above the 20, but it's not quite as pronounced, not quite as confident. Not quite feeling it. Not quite yet. Daily momentum rolling over, but still a little questionable. Solana does have some bullish divergence here. Candle closes, came down. RSI lows came up on the day. Maybe the precursor to this little green we're seeing. What about our week? Coming up at weekly previous support 137. I don't even have that on my chart. JV moves by me, man. RSI lows coming down here, but candle closes not. Maybe bullish divergence on the week. I kind of want to redo that profit taking target at 150. That might be a better number. Go to the month quick. Holding the higher low. Yeah, 144. I think that's even probably part of their logic. I'm going to stick with 144. Previous monthly supports was broken last month. Now we're coming back up to test that liquidity from support to resistance. Solana has a good way to go, man. Not quite excited about it yet, personally. It's not looking bad, though. I think it sees more upside over the weekend. Bitcoin trading sideways in typical Bitcoin fashion. We're going to look at Bitcoin dominance here in a second. What's up, Snipe X Trader? Bitcoin bullish in all caps. Right on. Right on. What's up, Zan Kang? ICP. Derek Merrill over on the short stream. What's up, bro? Aladim, how you doing, my friend? Mems expects the Solana retrace again before making a big rally. Have you guys noticed a theme in the comments today? A lot of theme in the comments. People looking for retracements, not just on Bitcoin, but on pretty much everything. I like that. I like price go up. People talk about price going down. That means people are on the wrong side of the trade. People are on the wrong side of the trade. Tend to see continuation. I like it. Bitcoin dominance. Last month closed its highest point since 2021. This month, no higher high yet, but holding on to a green candle. This is the reason I've been saying I don't think buying alts is quite the time. Not quite yet. Got to see this show some weakness. For the 6th week in a row, Bitcoin dominance has consolidated or accumulated. Technically isn't, but at 57% here. Right now, this week, reaching back to the top of that range in the high 57%. However, we've seen this happen the last 3 weeks in a row, and they ended up closing lower. So that should be on our radar into this weekend. I do like this daily candle, though. Another higher low here, going back to that top resistance, testing it again, I think, this weekend, weakening it, and potentially then looking to continue. Maybe into the end of September. That might be an August surprise. We'll find out. I only had Diet Coke today for caffeine. It's probably why I'm a little sluggish. I don't really drink Diet Coke. I just found them. And I was like, I'll drink them. I need caffeine. Money flow looking pretty strong here, even after putting in a lower low, coming right back up. Momentum up, VWAP up, dude. I send it. Sends the dominance. Send it. Look at bad. Look at bad at all. Chilling. This is exactly what I was worried about. I told you guys, if we didn't get the bullish engulf close on the hour, probably just going to see this 4-hour end up closing just like this. This little indecision candle. Red body after a big green bodied candle. High wick, low wick. Settling up with not a lot of volatility right there in the middle. And it does seem to be the case. Seems to be what's happening. Lower low. Higher low, higher low. Higher low, higher high. Go up. Keep going up. You had me jazzed. I want to be jazzed. It's Friday. Sats. What about sats? You want me to take a look at the chart? You play Hamster Combat. I've never heard anyone say that. Spiro says render. What's my call before the end of year? New all-time high on Bitcoin. That's my call. CTRY. I don't know what that is. What's up, Davintic? Hello to you, my friend. Hello. SUI. A lot of you were looking at SUI. I know Jen was looking at SUI. We did have a nice trade. Again, so this is the beginning. Trades start hitting. Usually reflects a certain condition in the market. That's all I'm going to say. Trade from Wednesday on SUI. A nice 24% gain. We were looking for that test of $1. We got it. Rock and roll. From 76 to $1. Nice. What are we looking at here? We have a slightly higher high on the day versus the previous, but it's still a lower high versus August 12th. It's kind of a confusing setup here. Money flow on the day, green, but not the greenest, not the most green. If you're bullish on SUI, you might be tempted to go long right now. I can't stop you. But there might be a better entry just below $1. Maybe just above 95 cents. Probably take 97 just to be careful. Today's wick low did go to 99, very close. Actually, very close. Might just play that to the top of August's high. What do we get? R to R wise, like 1-to-1. That by itself shows me I don't like this trade. I don't like those low risk to rewards. That could be played somewhere, somehow like that. I have an idea. Let's invert the chart. Let's invert the chart. That looks pretty bearish when you invert it. That looks pretty damn bearish. I could certainly see a move back to like 76, but this is like a blow off top that didn't go anywhere. It got sold into, created a lower low, and now you have this weak price action. That chart's inverted, so that might be bullish. That's a very pretty V kind of shape developing here. I want to go to a higher time frame out of curiosity. SUI actually closed last month green. Not quite as high as last month, obviously, but a nice solid green monthly candle building. 17 days to go. Weekly kind of battling it out here. I think that $1 target is really the whole show into this weekend for SUI. Close a candle on the week above $1 and set your sights on 125. I think that that is the logical next move to the upside. So our next point, let's see, an order block there was your all-time high close, I guess. 125. It's a good target. But I need to see that weekly above $1 because we've done this dance here. Even in August, when we had our highest point here in the last few weeks, we sold off, closed red. The next week rallied, but could not hit a higher high. Closed high, and now we've been struggling kind of with that pressure. So a close above the end of August's candles, which is just conveniently $1, I think is going to be that signal for further upside, targeting even higher numbers. And I'm liking 125. I'm liking 125. It's your 618 retracement. It's your previous all-time high close. Nice little zone here. It's like 125 down to 120, something like that. All right, SUI. AAVE, I said I'd look at as well. Let's look at AAVE. I don't want to go too long without checking in. What's up, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼? Tom, how do you start reading the charts like me? Start watching. Start watching analysts, start watching traders, start absorbing all the info you can. I have a free trading course on this YouTube channel. There is no paid version. It's all free. I would say start there. After the show, pop it open. There's like 20 plus videos on different topics. It's a great resource. Really great resource. Okay, AAVE with the higher high versus March. Interesting. I think I asked you guys this last stream. AAVE broke its March high. Do you guys, what other coins have done this? Anybody? Anybody know? Anybody know other coins that have broken past March's high right now? I can't name them off the top of my head. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. I'd like to see some others. Weekly, hit that higher high into that 150. Looking for any close on the week above 136 for AAVE. That'll be solid. Money flow coming up, looking strong. Would not be betting down. Oh, and then you just get something you don't want. You don't want to see it. Feeling good about a chart. You're like, man, that's nice and bully. And then you get something you don't want. Look at this 200 week. Even as far back as May of 2022. Price lost the 200 week, rejected from it again in August of 22. Came all the way back up to it in March of this year. Here we are again. Again, at the same moving average. This is what I guess this is what we want for Bitcoin on the day, not the week. Scratch that. Not very bullish to be stuck underneath it. Along here is a bet that AAVE is going to retake the 200 and then probably put on some serious upside gains. I think it does look strong, but I do not like that 200 being right there. That is some serious resistance. It's not really a surprise to me why we saw selling kind of come in a little earlier than we expected. I say I might redo this. I think I'm gonna go actually this way with it. Right here. Very substantial. Support flip to resistance. Broken. Could be looking again to retest 135. Currently at 143. Upside is gonna be hard though, man. Are you gonna bet it's gonna blast through the 200? That's like just a low probability bet. Let's just take 172, something like that. $80. I like this though. I might take this trade. If AAVE trades back to 135, I might take this trade. I don't know exactly how I'll do it. I placed out this kind of potential with your stop loss just below September 8th's low. Take profit up here, 172. That's going to take some fine tuning, some tweaking. But there's a trade there. I'll find it. Trust me, I'll find it. What else do I have pulled up? XRP at 56 cents still. Surprising, not a single person in the audience. That's okay. Jupe has not traded to 66 cents yet. We're looking for a 66-cent Jupe, maybe lower, but it has also not really done anything that's convincing me it isn't still gonna do that. I haven't seen any higher highs. We're coming off a lower low, got a little green candle, but it hasn't really gotten that fire underneath it quite yet. I'll put an alert. Any position on Jupe, I think potentially could be ridden to $1. I think it'd be a great take profit target. Might take a while. BNB I have pulled up. How's this doodle for you? We doodled this, Lord knows, like all the way back here, early August, looking for that retest of the previous high before we broke low. Previous high in July, before we broke low. Retested, rejected, higher low, BNB climbing right back up. I think this is a good bet. I think that's a good bet. I think BNB is looking right back to the top of its yearly price here. At this point, the entry kind of gone, but maybe you could be looking at like 511, maybe as low as 500 flat. We'll see what happens with the rest of the market. If it gets choppy, there might be another entry on the BNB. But no. Doge, another one I pulled up. Dogecoin at 10 cents, man. Doge has seen better days, but I do believe it's slowly starting to shape up here. Slowly starting. While I've had some complaints about it in the past, I like this climb. Higher high, higher low, higher high, back to just, again, that previous high as support. I think 25 cents from here could be a difficult target. Could be a hard sell. But there are definitely targets near here that I think are very likely. For instance, 12.6 cents, incredibly likely. It's still like a 25% move for Doge to the upside. For Doge to the upside. Go. Testing that high trend, putting in a higher low. I think Doge is going to make some upside gains either this weekend or even into next week. Doge BTC pair. So I was actually talking to Chris Pratt about this on his live stream. I was like, yo, man, check this out. Doge essentially against BTC has been my biggest complaint about why I just don't feel bullish yet. If you were here, we nailed Doge. I was bullish on Doge before Elon even knew what it was. And I've just been kind of hands off of it lately. I still love Doge as a project. Still in my wheelhouse of things I love. But I've been a little skeptical, and that's because of its BTC pair. It has not been able, or at least hasn't shown strength in that BTC pair. Honestly, it's like since that SNL skit from Elon Musk, May of 21, hit its all-time high, and it has just fallen and bled and fallen and bled, painting lower lows and lower highs. But this is catching my eye here, not confirmed. Ooh, we got some memberships and stuff. What's up, Troy? Soul, we looked at Soul. What's up, Rick Benner? We're watching Tom. I'm watching you, bud. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼𝐽, what's up, bro? Doge, basically double bottomed here on the monthly time frame. Closed this month, tested, closed higher. We have a green month now. We haven't made enough progress here in September to get truly excited. But it is kind of refreshing. If you look back to this just beating, it's just consistently lower lows on the months. This is the first sign, the first piece that we might be seeing a reversal on Doge BTC. If you look at RSI, even on the monthly time frame, you'll see lower candle closes coupled with a higher RSI. That is bullish divergence on the monthly time frame. You go down to the week and you see a very similar story. While that divergence is technically not there, you can still see it kind of reflected here, kind of reflected with this much higher RSI. That's a different kind of RSI analysis, but you can kind of see it there. I see it there. I think that looks rather nice. We go down to the day and then we'll move on. Down to the day, here we are. Look at that. This is your lowest point in RSI all the way back in March of 23. Nope, sorry, correct that. March of 23 again, I just moved the mouse. Lowest point in RSI. You continued lower over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Yet RSI continually putting in higher lows. This is building some crazy divergence. I don't know when it's going to break out, but when it does, I think it's going to look to maybe not go to new all-time highs, but it's going to look to make some pretty sizable moves pretty quickly. Like a 350% gain, I can see that happening on Doge BTC under the right conditions. Lord knows when, but we have the first little inkling, something to pay attention to. Bitcoin doing nothing. What happens if Bitcoin breaks 60K? We party. We party hardy. You know. That's what you're thinking? Hell yeah, nostalgic. Someone asked about render. Let's take a peek at render. Our local top call on render at 626 played out very well. The retracement, not quite as well. I opened a live trade probably the end of August here on render. I got stopped out. However, the bigger picture trade still open here. I don't know if you round trip that, good for you. Still looking decent. Let's take a peek. 432 and 447. Where does that come from? I'm gonna guess a monthly order block. There it is, monthly order block. I know my charts. Monthly order block right over here. Tested very perfectly this month. Interesting. Still don't see that upside action I want yet. I know I've warned you guys, if render closes, I'll say a weekly, but a monthly for sure, candle under 432, it's probably, well, it is almost certainly looking to retest August low, but with high confidence would be looking for like even 250. So your 618 retracement right here, untested resistance as support. That would be a logical place for it to go. You could have a very bullish bounce for render from that level. It's not guaranteed to come, but if it does, I might open along at 250 because that will be a very technical place to look. What's going on with our indicators? Money flow on the day rolling over. I like that. Nice and bullish. RSI a little different from some of the charts that we've looked at. We're seeing those lows come up, and I'm seeing the bulls push that RSI back to the 50 or above 50. I like it. I like it. Let's throw our fib on. We have identified here at least a low time, well, not low time frame, a local reversal. That Doge candle led price up to higher highs and higher lows. Now trading sideways right at our $5 entry. There may be time for people who want to take this trade again. Kind of wondering what's holding this down though. I think that looks good. Better find 4 hour low time frames here. I am liking what's building. It looks like multiple tests of resistance. Each time buyers coming in higher. We just retested again that local high. It's like 528. Want to see that $5 low hold, that entry. That might have been, that's actually convenient. This 4 hour candle might have been the last $5 entry on here. If it's not, and we see this trade under 5 again, I'm not as confident. I'm no longer really looking for that same position. If you lose or even retest that low, you might be set up for this. Losing your ascending trend, falling low, back testing it, looking lower. So this trade might be reinvigorated, actually, re-energized. After swinging, stopping me out. That's what the market loves to do. Loves to stop me out so that you guys can win. Total crypto market cap having a spicy week here. Slightly higher high versus last week at that true 2 trillion mark. This was our major support from the sell-off in March, 2 trillion. It was also, on the monthly time frame, major resistance in the last bear market. Take a look at that quick. This was our lower high. After coming off of our all-time high, lower high, straight down, send it, found support at previous all-time high resistance, acted as support. We climb back up, and here we are, tangling with 2 trillion. We didn't quite reach 1.58 trillion. Interesting. We hit 1.7. If you don't believe Bitcoin is going to go back up in this quarter or next quarter, if you think we're going to keep seeing markets sell off, your opinion is valid. It's not my opinion, but it's valid. Probably then we'll be targeting that 1.58 trillion. Seeing a 1.58 trillion total crypto market cap, I think would be a good signal that entries are here or coming. That's so, it's stressful, man. We're right back to that monthly previous support. It's resistance now, right? Right back there. At the same time, Bitcoin doing this, giving us a heart attack, man. At the same time. Right back, right at our daily resistances from late August, right at our 618 retracement from our August high to September low, right there. This is nail-biting territory, man. Absolute nail-biting territory. Total hitting that monthly resistance, Bitcoin up against this retracement and resistance. Ugh. This is it's either gonna pop the off or man, it's gonna get real bloody. Let's take a look at our 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐴 cloud on the day. We haven't looked at this in quite a bit. We had our weakness in the cloud here, and I was really confident we were gonna see a pop through it. We didn't get that. See, it doesn't happen every time. It just happens a good amount. We got a cross down below the cloud, the very bearish, actually, daily signal back on the 3rd of September that I missed. Into the higher low, now back to the cloud. Wow. Wow. The cloud on the day is not helpful right now. It's all at the same price. It's all at 59.5. Yo, my man Crypto Face is here. How you doing, brother? How you doing? How you doing on these green candles? I saw you were long earlier this week. Well done. Well done, my friend. I think we continue breaking up. I think we got more uppy. I think we got more upside. I think we close strong today. If we do anything other than nothing this weekend, I think we trend towards 64,000. That's where I'm looking. 15 minutes. I'm still liking this. I don't want to end the stream because I know every time I end the stream, it does something. It's like clockwork. But I don't want to miss this. We went live and it was already retracing, slowly moving back up. I want this move. I want to be live for it. 60.9K is the top, says Hassan. Very exact, very precise. Thank you. Storming the Castle. Love the channel, Tom. Thank you, my friend. Seriously, favorite crypto streamer in all of the interwebs. I appreciate you. You are my favorite Storming the Castle in all of the interwebs. What's up, PHX? David Gorashavel. Looking at that gold chart. Yeah, buddy. We were looking at it for quite some time today. Gold having a jolly Friday. A jolly Friday. I did warn you guys, though, a little bit. Maybe I'll put it in different words here. Gold doesn't usually move like this. Gold really doesn't usually move like this. This is looking a little blow off toppy. I'm not necessarily saying the end of the rally forever for gold or something. But I am saying that I think it moves to 2,600, and then I think we see a spooky retracement. There's a lot of confluence here, man. All the way back 40-ish years to get that high to 2011 brings us right to where we're headed, I think. Right up here. 2,621, 2,650. Honestly, just following this trend line very closely. It'll be the 3rd time ever it's been tested. Breakthrough there. I mean, here's what gold going nuts would look like. A break through that trend line, coming on back, moving higher. That would be like the parabolic gold signal. What I think is going to happen is probably more like that, right? Hit the trend line, retrace, find support, see what happens next. He answered your question. I didn't even see your question. What was your question, bro? Tom, you cannot close the stream without reading Crypto Face's super chat. Oh, my bad, bro. I don't know what's going on with my stuff. I am not getting these notifications. It's not letting me go. I also see RSK Risknor gifted out 10 memberships. My guy, you're making Bitcoin pump with your good works. Real Rude subscribed. Where is it? Yo. We thinking higher on Bitcoin or is it done? I'm thinking higher, brother. I'm thinking higher. What are you thinking? What you thinking? Surface. Are you long or you short? What's up, MMS? Don't leave us. Okay. Guru says 61.6 max. I'm seeing a lot of people saying the top max. A lot of crystal ballers out there. Crystal ball hard, my friends. You want to let me get a hit of that crystal ball? Maybe I can make some good content. What's up, Bully Berry? Dang, son, you bullish. Yeah. Are you surprised? I'm always bullish, my friend. He wants the super chat read out loud. I did get it. My bad. Let me give that a heart. Or should I give a heart to the gifted subs? What's up, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝𝐿? Quality crypto. We did it. We did it, guys. We're on the moon. We made it. We made it to the moon finally together. What's up, Eamon? How you doing, bro? Before Crypto's here. Another YouTuber. You can go check him out. What's up, brother? Cody, Corn Sullied CMG, Crypto Face, the man himself, hanging out with us in the chat. Hell yeah. Digibite, what's up, bro? DJG, Eddie. How you doing, Eddie? Ferret, Gary Kaufman. Who else I miss? Juicy Ray. What's up, M Stone? M Stone, what are you reading today? We need some of our OG analysts to lend us their ear. Mike Bennett, MMS, Mob vs. Ballot Box. Yeah. Don't eat cats. Did you guys hear that cats and like eat the cats and dogs song? It's actually pretty good. What's up, Mr. Days? NBF Forum, Nostalgic, Nick Young, Paul Wood, Real Rider, Sergio. What's up, Sergio? Silent 45. How you doing? Stymie, Stony. What's up, Stony? TJ, Tallboy, White Knight. We got a lot of people. Got a lot of fams. What's up, Sylv? Radix. What are you planning for long and short? I got some crappy positions open. Showed him earlier, but that was like an hour ago. Let's see if I can find him. Got some little crappers open. This is like $1,000 position. Nice little profit on there. Little profit on there. Not too bad. Stop in profit. A little bigger one here. This is still not really huge. It's not really that big. Opened long at 57.78. Not the best. Still got that short lumen all the way up there. Let's liquidate it. Absolutely liquidate it. You know, now that I look at this chart, I'm starting to wonder if we get a lower high and then a higher low again. I'm pretty in the 64K camp right now, but let me see something. Just got a little different perspective here. Green month. These are old. These are from the previous month. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. I'll fix it later. Can't do this while live. Let me see. Let me see what this would look like. There we go. This would suck. And as I say it out loud, I feel like it's becoming true because this is what would suck. Say 61.5. 63.7. 60K. That would suck. I don't think this plays out. Honestly, I think we could see like a fake pop, fake break to the upside, back into the trend. Maybe we get like a real harsh reversal, the opposite. A little fake break of the flag and then move in the other direction. Bitcoin, let's go. Let's go, corn, let's go. That short's still open now underwater. I said I wouldn't take it. I said, I don't know why you'd be shorting into this right now. But still alive. Our side good. Money flow good. Damn. Man, this could take all day. Or it could take all day. Or it could happen right now. I vote for right now. Do you guys vote for right now? Let's do it. What's up, Rockstar Cola? Super chat. I'm bad at reading super chats. Got 1,000 votes on the poll. 41% of us. Let's take a peek here. 41% of us looking for a pump through the weekend. 38% of us looking for a dump in this weekend. That's pretty balanced. If you haven't voted, please get your votes in. If you haven't clicked these placebo buttons, go ahead and click them with me here. They do something, maybe. Breaking out, DJG. We're on the 1 minute, brother. We're on the 1 minute. Gotta keep reserved on the 1 minute. 1 second. Here we go, to the moon. Make sure you guys have joined the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. I should have done a vote. I don't know. Do you guys want to do a little drinky, bowly chart trade chat in the Discord voice tonight? Little Friday party. It's on the table. I keep asking you guys and you keep not wanting to do them. So I don't know. Dude, my guy, 𝐅𝐫𝐚𝐝, another 20 memberships. My guy. Let's go. Let's go. If you want to get one of these, they are randomly assigned when people gift them. Make sure you're subscribed. You've liked the live stream. Put a message in the chat. Shared. I don't know. Engaged. YouTube says if you engage with the live that they're gifted in, you're more likely to get them. You have to also opt into them for a reason I can't explain. Damn, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mike J. Do you ever play around with the 30-second chart? Nah. Yeah, I hardly fuck with a 1-minute chart. I got the 1-second chart up here as I'm saying that, though, so bit of a hypocrite. Kind of enjoying like the smooth, jazzy tones in the background and probably copyrighted music. I'm just realizing it probably auto-played. Okay. It says no copyright lo-fi hip-hop playlist. Okay. Let me see who got some memberships, my friend. Lazinga, what's up? Real Rider, Barbaric Puma, B4 Crypto Sergio, Paul Wood, Eamon, BG, Derek, MBF Forum. Good names there. Dougie Stone, Lorelei, Psychedelic Astronaut, Blair Stevenson, C. Harris, Tear Them to Shreds, Vact, Digibyte, White Knight, Hassan, Bullyberry, Rockstar Cola. Dude, there's so many. Tallboy Crypto, Cody, Gary Kaufman, Paul, Sergio, Stony235, King Peasant, MMS. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you gifting them out. The community appreciates you. What do you want to look at, RSK Nor? What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Giving away these memberships, you're giving to the community. Let me give back. What can I look at for you? Eth looking nice. Good. What do I think about AR breaking the weekly? I don't know yet. Haven't looked at it. Thoughts on ICP? Don't know. I haven't looked at it. What's up, a lot of vagina? J Crypto, Victor, Line in My Pocket, XSIN. We got a lot of names. Is Josh back? Did someone say Josh? Where's Josh been? What's up, R-Pink? It's over, sell it all. Ah, that is Josh. You're right. Haha. He's been undercover. Been an undercover guy spreading his fuds. Nice 60-minute or nice 30-minute candle. Hourly shaping up. We saw this happen earlier, though. We had this beautiful top wick while we were live. We were watching the close. 5 minutes before the close, just dumped down, rejected the bullish engulf. This hourly, maybe looking to fill that wick. 4 hour, let's check back on her. Now green. All right. All right. I was speculating we get the indecision candle here on the 4 after that failed 1 hour engulf. There we go, though. Nice and green again. Hour and 13 minutes till close. What's up, Shane? I see you subscribing. There he is. 1 second looks insane. Yeah, that's why I don't pull it up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 1 minute is wild. Let's leave this up. I'll just read stuff in the chat. Mana USD Ferrari. No one's asked about Mana in a year. What's up, Willie Null? How you doing, my friend? Mr. Crypto. Josh wants to see EGLD. I mean, pick your own poison, my friend. I don't think I've checked up on it in a while, but last time I did, it was a little brutal. Little brutes. And of course, stopping me out. Stopping me out. That long was placed so long ago. Back in November of last year. Finally stopped out August. Suck it. Broke down from a bear flag. Rare. Rejected. Higher low here on the day. Let's go. What's this monthly look like? Yeah, we'll call it a double bottom. I was so stupid to have my stop right there. Of course I was going to get swept. Oh well. Double bottom on the month. You could say double bottom on the year, double bottom on the quarter. Probably extends out to like every time frame of significance. Go to that week. Lower highs, lower lows. Where it stops, no one knows. Momentum slowing down. Slowing down there. RSI painting some bull div here. RSI lows up. Candle closes down and wicks down. I don't know, Josh. I don't know, man. Got resistance above you now at 3280. Got support below you at 2225, and you're kind of right in the middle of those values. The middle. Let's throw on some moving averages. I don't know where to go with this. Below everything. Josh. I think it retests 3280. There you go. I can see that. 3280 question. I don't know. I've had bad luck now with these longs, dude. Getting sniped, getting wicked out by 25 cents. This chart makes me sad, Josh. If EGLD loses 22, you'd be looking at 10. So 1618 extension below you was previous resistance. Coming back in to be tested as support potentially for the first time ever. Appreciate your super chat, Josh. I love you, bud. Hope you're around more. I don't know where you've been. Hopefully you've been happy and healthy, enjoying the summer. What's up, Young Swirl? Subscribing in the middle of my chat. Love it. Love it. Hey, hi, Ivo. What's up, Kumar? You've got one of the memberships. All right. Ignore the fact that you don't have it. That's okay. What am I trading? Nothing really right now. I got 2 longs open on the corn. That's about it. 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐞. Tom's too early for shorts, I know. So some of you are probably looking at that short position right here. If you were here at the beginning of the stream when we placed it, I said, here's where I would look to long down at 58.5 if it comes. But if you're looking for this rally to be over, probably can look to short right there. It's 59.7. Stop not hit yet up at like 60.2. And I said, I won't take this. I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's going up more. Technically, it has since then. It did hit slightly higher high. Man, it's slowing down. Momentum is getting into molasses here, dude. Slowing, just getting more hesitant. Close above 57.7, still be good on the hour, but not as fancy as the earlier close. Not even close. You guys should make sure you're in the Discord. Keep up with the live community. 24/7 chat. What you should also do is check out the links in the video description below, including our sponsors, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝 and MetaSignal. Sign up with any of them. Could be an exchange, could be 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, doesn't matter. Any of them. And you'll get exclusive access to our private trading group in Discord. It's free. The only way in it, to use a partner link. They are affiliate links. They do support the channel, and I appreciate you. Appreciate you for using them. We might have a little Discord party tonight. Little bowls, little beers, little chart, a little fun. You want to join us? Make sure you're in there tonight. It's open door. You don't have to have like a membership or anything. Just got to be there. And, you know, I think Bitcoin's moving. If you missed the start of the stream, my predictions for this weekend and next week, I highly recommend you check them out. You should check out the free trading course playlist on this channel. It's good stuff. Upgrade your game. Sharpen them skills. We've gained about 100 something, I don't know, 120 subscribers in this live stream. There's another one. Awesome. We hit 125. We're going for 150,000 subscribers here. By the end of the year? Nah. By like the end of Q1 next year. We'll have 150. Maybe. We'll see what happens. I'm going to bounce. It's Friday. Go have fun. Go enjoy your weekend. I'm going to go light up this bowl, do some voiceovers, and I'll catch you guys Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 p.m. East here, live every day for 5 years. We'll be here. Love you, fam.